Integrating Bold and James with ForcePoint DLP will begin at our Security Manager. We'll log into the console. Once the console is loaded and we're on the Data section, we're going to select General and then Services. We'll then click on the File Labeling tab, and we're going to select Bold and James Classifier. We can now click on the Import Labels button. Here, we have to import the spif.xml file. This file can be found on the desktop of our Security Manager and is a configuration file from the Bold and James installation. Click OK. Here we have our 4 labels that have now been imported. And we're going to scroll down, and underneath File Labeling, we're going to select Apply File Labels. We'll then click OK to save this information. We're not going to deploy just yet. We are now going to create a classifier. So let us go to our Policy Management, Content Classifiers, and we are going to select File Labeling. We'll click on New for a File Labeling Classifier. Going to provide a name. Select our labeling system as Bold and James Classifier. And then we're going to select and add all of the detected labels. We'll then click OK. We're going to cancel from the screen reminding us that we have to add it to a rule. We're now going to create a rule from this classifier. So let's click on Create Rule from Classifier. Provide a name. We're going to select the radial button next to Add this rule to a new policy. Provide our policy with a name. And then we can click OK. As we have other things to configure using our Bold and James integration, we are not going to deploy quite yet. We are then going to create an endpoint discovery policy. So let us now select Policy Management, Discovery Policies, and then Manage Policies. We're going to click on Add, and then a custom policy. Provide a name. We are then going to select Next. Now we're going to add a key phrase to search for files containing a phrase, and then the policy will apply a Bold and James file label to that document. So let's click on Add. Click on Patterns and Phrases. We're going to create a new key phrase, and we're going to call it Confidential. Click OK. And then make sure you are selecting the user-defined confidential key phrase. We're now going to select Next. We're now going to edit our audit-only action plan. So click on the piece of paper with the pencil next to it. And we're going to click on the Discovery tab. From here, we can select Apply File Labels, select our labeling system, and then select the label that we want to apply. We're going to choose confidential, and then click add. We can then click OK. And now we can deploy.